Good morning, class 5th. Today we have started a new chapter, that is a chapter number 6, safety and first aid. First we have start with your chapter. Accidents can happen in a several way. If we are not careful, accidents at homes are mainly caused by a fire, electricity, and the sharp objects such as a knife and the scissors. Although all these are very useful to us and they can very dangerous if not used carefully. Medicines should always be kept out of reach of the children, and accident can happen if the children eat or drink anything harmful. And at a school and the children's running up or down upstairs can fall and get injured. Accidents occur on a road due to the careless driving and not following traffic rules. Sometimes even if one is careful, accidents happen. One can get hurt, and let us see what we should do in some of these situations. First, we have start with the fire and its prevention. Most of the fires in a house start from the kitchen or defective electrical gadgets. All the electric gadgets should be checked from the time to time, and cracked, cut or frayed wires should be immediately replaced. Second, wires and electrical gadgets should never be allowed to get wet, and make sure that the gadgets is switched off after use. And a kerosene stove should not be kept on the floor, and it can easily get knocked over, spilling the kerosene, and this can causes a major fire. Make sure that the gas is switched off when not in use, and in case of a gas leak, immediately open all the doors and the windows to allow the gas to escape. Call the gas agency for help, and do not switch any electrical switch on or off for this time. A spark from this could lead to an explosion and a major fire. And the next point is the never wear nylon cloths in the kitchen. They catch fire very easily, and cottons or woolen cloths are safer. Firecrackers are another major use causes of a fire. Children should never play with firecrackers without an adult being present. And the next, children should not be allowed to play with a matchstick. And the last, charge mobile phones carefully. Do not leave it unattended for the too long. Use charger from genuine manufacturers and avoid using cheap and fake ones, and it can burst and cause fire. Class, today I have been your session here, and today's your question is, why should we not wear nylon cloths near fire? Again I have repeated that question. Why should we not wear nylon cloths near the fire? Thank you, class, and we have meet in your next video.